We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for the Washington, D.C. metropolitan operational area because of a
September 10, 2024.
local weather emergency.
The National Weather Service has just issued a severe flash tornado storm warning for County
in North
South
Maryland,
North Central Montgomery County, Eastern Carroll County, Southeastern Frederick County, Southwestern County City, and Baltimore. Baltimore is in effect until 7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/7/ 10:30. Just a couple minutes ago, radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across this area. Between a ½ inch to an inch and a half of rain has already fallen. The expected rainfall rate is inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches possible in the area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to start shortly. Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some of the places that are going to be impacted right now.
Posted on September 6, 2024. September 7, 2024. Posted on September 8, 2024. Posted on September 10, 2024. Here we go, guys. All right.
Pikesville, Ellicott City, Woodlawn, Eldersburg, Milford Mill, Mays Chapel, White Marsh, Oakland, Mount Airy, Timonium, Kearney, Towson, Randallstown, Damascus, Owings Mills, and Baltimore. You're almost all night. Six times the nice foot never in this life. Here, main on Mysterian, I'm no look, Trump, you will pass in, I'm Brooklyn, and all the way to speak like, let's go. Turn around, don't drown. Again, a flash flood warning in effect for northern Howard County, north central Montgomery County, southeastern Carroll County, southeastern Frederick County, southwestern Baltimore County, and Baltimore City. It's in effect until 7:30.